everyone! Today we're about to do something crazy. So the other day I was thinking about doing a Jolyne cosplay, and by the other day I mean months and months and months and months in the past. But then COVID hit and I was like, well, I can't go out and go to my local wig shop to get the wig that I wanted. So I was thinking to myself and I was like, maybe I should just try to do it at home. So that's what we're gonna do today. So today we're going to be doing Jolyne's hairstyle plus makeup. I really have no idea how it's gonna go because this is my first time trying it. So if I find out that my hair doesn't look good, then we're just gonna focus on the makeup. But I went out to Target and I went and got this a temporary spray on dye. Yeah, I have no idea how this is gonna work. Like, I tried it one time and like my hair back here, and it seemed to wash off, right? Because I really don't want to go to work with green hair, because I don't think they'll take it real good, because people keep thinking that dyed hair is unprofessional when it's not. But I digress. We're gonna try this. I have no idea how it's gonna go. But here we go. Let's see how this goes. Yay! Please pray for me.
All right, so with a brush, we are going to detangle our hair. It's just going to make it easier to do the look. And then with a fine comb, you are going to separate your hair because we are aiming to make a small ponytail on the top of our hair. You have to make sure that it's free of knots. And then with a hair tie, just tie that hair back. Alright, and then after that, you're going to grab that ponytail and twist it like this. It makes it a lot easier to make a mini space bun. And then with a clear elastic, you're just going to put that around the bottom of the space bun. And then after that, we are going to braid this lock of hair that's right under the space bun. Because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using that to mimic the way Jolyne's hair is styled. And it just is going to make it easier, and we're going to spray it. And then with an elastic, just go ahead and loop the bottom of the braid like this. You'll be in the behind the space bun. It's going to make it easier to bobby pin in. Always make sure the bobby pin's teeth are facing downwards. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Alright, and so then we are going to braid the back of our hair. Jolyne's braid is a little weird because it starts up from the space buns too. But since my hair isn't long enough and we are just trying to make an inspired look, we are just going to braid the back of our hair like this. Alright, and with a black hair tie, we're going to go ahead and tie that up. And as you can see, it does mimic Jolyne's hair. Also, that's a ball spot for when I got my hair relaxed because someone messed up my hair.
Alright guys, so now you guys saw how that's done. We're about to see if I can dye all this and this into green. I'm about to ruin a lot of my ponytails. Like, I'm about to ruin them. But it's in the name of cosplay. So in my old dinosaur tablet here, I think I have a picture of Jolyne saved. So I think this picture here shows like a pretty good idea of like how it's supposed to look like. Quite honestly, I'm kind of scared to see how it's gonna look like. We're going to try this out. Says here, temporary hair color that washes out in one shampoo and does not damage hair. Yeah, because I already had my hair damaged this summer when I went to go relax it, and it burned all my hair off, and I have a bald spot right here. Says, shake can well hold about 12 to 8 inches away from hair. I have no idea how much 12 or 18 inches is away from, oh, you know what, hold on. Okay, here's a ruler. This is 12 inches right here, so my hair is like here. It's gotta be this far away. But, okay, so that far. Okay, I think I can do that. Apply to dry styled hair. Do not apply to wet or chemically damaged hair. Okay, well, mine's chemically damaged, but in the name of cosplay, we're gonna be doing this. Okay. Taking my glasses off. Alright. Okay. That's okay. That's pretty far. Oh my god, I hope I don't get this one. Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna go get some like gloves. Alright. Cause I'm gonna try to do is I'm going to be trying to just go like this to it, and then we're gonna see from here. Okay. Okay, that's why you gotta... Guys, this was actually a really bad idea. Okay, I see that it dissipates off. Alright, let's try this other side. Weird that it just doesn't go on to other things except for hair. Okay. Yo. I'm thinking about what my parents are gonna think about when I do this. Like, this is giving more Billie Eilish vibes than Jolyne, but you know what? It's doing what it needs to do, and we're gonna keep going. I swear to God, this better come off in like the shower, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be like real mad. Okay. You know, you can still see my bald spot. Yo, I'm not finna. Okay, no, if I do, that's gonna be a really bad idea, but. Okay, we're gonna put these behind our ears. Alright, I think that's enough. Yeah. This is more of an experiment, guys, but actually, the way it kind of looks right here, I do like it, though. I should probably get those braids back there. You know what? If I'm taking pictures, I would have, but I'm not doing the back of that. Like, look. This is not a bad look, guys, though. Like, I might just, once I like work for myself, like once I actually finish school, like I might try this. You know what? We're gonna leave it like that. And we're gonna go to doing the makeup. Alright guys, so for the type of makeup look that I'm going for Jolyne is this look. So I have the eyeshadow and the lips. I just don't have green eyes because I'm poor and colored contacts cost an arm and leg. So I'm just gonna teach you guys how to do this, and if you guys have the contacts, then I mean that helps too. So we are going to be doing the makeup now after all of this. Trust me, after all of this and the makeup, I'll promise it'll make the look.
Alright, so I'm taking my glasses off, and I had already primed my face before I did the makeup, and here we have the full coverage Revlon foundation. It's one of my favorites, as I've said before, so we're just gonna go ahead and blend that right in. And after that, we're going to add concealer. It's the Infallible Full Wear Concealer, one of my favorites. We're going to put it under our eyes, and we're going to actually highlight with this our nose, our forehead, and our chin. I'm going to go ahead and blend that right in. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Cream, and what we're doing here is trying to create a arched brow look. Jolyne has very arched brows, and I'm pretty sure she gets them microbladed or something, because to achieve that eye look, it's not easy, personally. So we are going to be trying to get them as arched as possible. Alright, and so now we are going to prime our eyes. This is the Catrice Locket eyeshadow primer, and it's one of my favorites, as I said before in my previous videos, because I feel like it just looks so nice. And with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, I'm going to go with the darkest color now, because we are trying to create a very angled face shape. Jolyne has a very angled face shape, so we're going to try and make my really round face very angled. So I'm trying to focus on the angular parts of my own face, which would be my jawline. So we are going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to contour the nose. The nose you got to really concentrate on, because she has a very angular nose too. A lot in cosplay, you do have to contour your nose just a little bit. I try to be a little dramatic with it, but yeah, I'm just really focusing on highlighting and contouring my nose in a way that it looks angular, because that way my face can look a little more angular, just like Jolyne's. Alright, and after blending my nose for forever, we are going to go ahead and blend the rest of the face. And a cool tip I tell people is to contour towards your hairline. It makes things so much easier. And there we have the Morphe James Charles palette, and we're going to use the color Canvas to kind of set a base to our eyelid. It's always good to have a good transition color, and then after we're going in with the color Daddy into our crease line. And I do think I'm gonna get a little closer to the camera to show you guys how it's done. Yep, it's very pigmented, so, but don't be afraid. Like, don't be shy, put some more. Then I went in with an angled brush just because I wanted the angled look, but if you want it to be rounded, that's fine too. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and blend that in. Blend it in as best as you can, because the full point of makeup is to have a lot of fun too. And then after that, we're gonna go in with Social Blade, and put that in the center of our eyes. You can also add glitter if you want to. And I also put the color Daddy under my eyelids. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and curl our eyelashes. Then after that, we're going to wing our eyeliner. And we're just going to do a simple cat eye look. And then I did my other eye off camera. We're going to go ahead and bronze our face. It helps with keeping our face angular. And then we're going to use a more peachy color for our cheeks. I'm using the Sll.Mura blush palette. And actually, this is my first time using this color, and I actually really liked it. It's very pretty. And then after that, we're going to set our face with the Airspun setting powder and the Wet n Wild setting spray, which was gross. And then after that, we're using the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the color Crocodile Tears. If anyone knows where I can find green lipstick or any other colored lipstick that's not from Jeffree Star and that's good quality, let me know. Even if they're like small companies, just let me know, because I really don't want to support him. We are going to be adding mascara to our lashes. You can use false lashes too, but again, quarantine got me kind of sad, so I haven't been using fake lashes for things. But let me know if you actually want to see a look like that. I could do it. It's just right now, it's like, it's so much work to put them on. But, I mean, my natural lashes look nice, so, I mean, a little self-love. And there you have it, guys. This is the final look. Like, I've been working on this cosplay for, like, a while now, and because of, like, all the setbacks, I haven't been able to do it. But I finally decided to just be like, you know what? Heck it. I'm gonna just do it. And I really hope you guys try it too. It's so much fun. And I will see you guys next time.